So one of the things that we have in common is we are both active, avid gamers, and recently there has been a new trailer for a very how do I say this? Anticipated, no, overdue, very long overdue game by the community.
12
GTA
years in the making.
6. 12 years. Oh, well,
Years
actually
pa.
13 na kasi.
13 kasi next year
Oh,
pa.
it's due next year pa. So,
Mm. When
I,
did you first play GTA? Ano yung unang-unang GTA na nilaro mo?
ano, I want to use the right word. I was
Oh,
protected by my parents
oh, okay.
until I was at the right age of
So how
13.
old? 13?
My first GTA was GTA 4 sa PS3.
Oh,
And the
okay.
thing was, it wasn't even my copy of the game. I just had a neighbor dito na who really liked to play NBA 2K and I had a
Mm.
copy and I was sick
So
of the game.
nag-share.
So sabi ko, hey, why don't we trade? And then
Oh,
they accepted. And then yeah, I got to play GTA. I got to run people over. Got to shoot people. Eh, it was what I expected out of the game. And then
mm.
naman, saya siya. And then,
GTA.
oh, GTA 4.
That's a good entry.
Oh, it's a
Feeling ko doon
very,
na nagsisimula yung next gen eh.
yun na nga yung parang, di ba, first GTA
Naging
nung,
realistic.
ah, first GTA nung 3D no, HD
Hindi naman.
universe.
Yan, HD.
And
Ako
then,
kasi, my first GTA,
mm,
I was, nakakuha ako ng PSP 7 years old. I think around 7 years old. And that's when I first played GTA. GTA Vice City Stories sa PSP.
mm, mm,
Bro,
mm, mm.
I was 7 years old. Sobrang saya niya. Like, kasi I feel like when you play a GTA game, it offers an experience that other games just don't get to offer.
Oo,
And
sobra,
maraming copycats ng GTA.
dami,
Different formats. Pero
sobra.
you can tell that they're trying to recreate new experience from a GTA game. And
Mm,
I've never actually played one that's able to replicate
ah,
or parang
something that can match yung, ano, no?
match the
Mm,
experience. For case in point, 'di ba, Watch Dogs. Good
ah,
game, pero not like GTA. It's still different sa GTA. So I first played GTA Vice City Stories, and then it came to a point na I had all the PSP games sa all the GTA games sa PSP ko. I had Liberty City Stories, tapos Chinatown Wars.
yung top down.
That's yeah, yung sa taas, yung 2D ata. Is
Ah,
that what you call it?
ano
Ganun
naman,
ako na-enjoy sa GTA nung bata ako.
so does this make you excited for GTA 6?
Bro, I want to buy a PS5 para lang sa GTA
Yun nga yung
6.
nagpapapatay na excitement ko eh. Like, if they only if they decided to, I don't know, make
PC
a
release.
PC port, di ba? Oh, I'd be a little more excited.
Mm.
It's gonna run on a PS5. Why can't they just release it on PC the same time? Di
Time.
ba? For other than that,
This
syempre, as a game,
bit
di ba? As a game that's going out and something now as gamers we've been waiting for quite some time. It's
yeah,
very exciting. Looking at the trailers, ganda ng graphics, ang ganda. My
sobra.
only my only concern is I hope that it remains GTA in the sense that you said a lot of games try to
Oo.
replicate GTA, but they can't really do that. What makes GTA GTA is the fact that it's very immersive and it has a ton of interactions. Yung simpleng pag-drive mo and then you get too close to a pedestrian, they'd react. Or when you bump into a building or an establishment or maybe a structure, because sometimes they get destroyed. And it makes you feel like you're really in the world. Diba?
Mm.
And even
Ako
just
naman,
by the driving. Sige, go.
I have two worries sa release ng GTA 6.
Mm-hmm.
Unang-una is, I'm afraid that expectations will kill the game.
Mm-hmm.
Yung masyado mataas na expectations, and we've seen that from games like yung sinabi ko kanina, Watch Dogs.
Mm.
Sobrang taas na expectations, and when those expectations were not met, the game didn't do as well.
That's about it.
Pangalawa is, I hope tama lang yung ano nila, yung reach nila for realism. Kasi 'di ba sa Red Dead Redemption 2,
Ah, don't get me
that
started.
game is so realistic.
Uh,
And don't get me wrong, from the graphics to the game mechanics, it's very, very fun.
mm,
And accustomed ako sa Red Dead Redemption 2 na game na realistic. Pero hindi tayo sanay sa GTA game na sobrang realistic. I hope they're able to capture that, to balance that out properly. Kasi sometimes, di ba, you just wanna drive around sa GTA, not worrying about your gas, not worrying about other realistic factors that they may want to put into the game.
mm,
So, natatakot ako na baka mamaya masyadong realistic or they don't find the right balance. Kasi I have trust naman sa Rockstar that they're going to build the game and consider all those things. So, sana they find the right balance between realism and arcade style gameplay.
it
Yun lang.
it's gonna be a very very exciting and terrifying 1 year kasi it's gonna come out more than a year pa from when we're
Oo.
recording this. So it's uh, it's very exciting yet terrifying but at the same time, diba? I just can't wait na lumabas na siya and ano na natin, get our hands on a new GTA, see how our game, I mean, I can say naman na childhood game ko pa siya from my childhood. How it's
Oo.
evolved kasi I just wanna relive the fun. And I can say naman na I don't feel that's a GTA 5, but then again, diba? It's come to a point na talaga we need
So,
a fresh a fresh start.
and props to Rockstar, di ba? Lagi silang nagre-release ng DLC sa online for free. So there's always new content. Even hanggang ngayon, I'm
Oo naman.
surprised.
To their credit naman.
Oh, after all these years, after yung announcement ng GTA 6, they're still able to release new updates. And people still keep coming back sa GTA Online.
I just
Good
hope
for them.
na I don't think na this is not gonna happen, pero I just hope GTA 6 won't rely too much on expansions and
Sana.
and additional story content, blah blah blah. As long as how GTA 5 did, kasi it's come to the point na it's dragging para sa akin. I mean, yes, you have new content. Yes, you have new things to do, but you're still doing it in the same sandbox you've been playing in for 12, 13 years. Na. So at a point it gets old. Pero hopefully
It
GTA
gets,
6 naman.
pero I don't, for me kasi alam mo naman lagi ako nag-aaya ng GTA even though no one's really playing it. Sometimes, like, siguro every few months, I'm gonna get that itch that I want to play GTA Online.
Mm,
Just drive around,
mm,
just, mess around sa map ng GTA Online.
mm.
Because it's such a fun formula that they were able to develop.
Oo naman. And I just again, we can't really say much because we don't know much. All we know is the game looks good. I like it. It's
So good.
just let's just hope for the best. I trust Rockstar naman. They've always delivered when it comes to these games. So
What's the first thing na gagawin mo once you get into the game
story, story.
story? No, I'm not talking about online or story mode. Kasi we don't even know kung meron na siyang online the moment it releases.
I'm gonna
What's
drive,
the first thing that you're gonna do?
drive.
You're
Kasi
gonna drive.
it's the best thing sa GTA for me. Kasi nga, you get to explore a large city, interact with a lot of things, and then you get to do it in multiple different cars, multiple different speeds, multiple different number of wheels, suspensions, whatever, diba? You get to customize and then mararamdaman mo yung differences. That's yun yung charm ng GTA 5 para sa akin. I could do that.
Ano yung unang place na i-visit mo? Kasi for me,
I don't know.
ano yung Miami Beach na equivalent? Kung ano man yung Miami Beach equivalent sa GTA universe, I think yun yung una kong gustong makita, yung bagong beach setting.
I
How
just
about
want
you?
I just wanna drive sa totoo lang.
Drive,
I
right?
mean, for sure, there's gonna be like yung first parts in GTA 5. It's a story is where just keep on driving from place to place. So I think
Mm.
naturally naman I'll be obligated to drive and I won't feel like it's a chore kasi it's gonna be a new experience.
Oh,
So
true.
yeah, I'm just very excited. Pero the thing is, diba, wala tayong PS5. So
Yeah.
sana lang
I
PC
think,
port.
yun talaga yung hinihintay natin eh. Pero feeling ko, 1 year pa yun eh, after.
Eh, I don't know. Let's see. Ang mura na PS5 by Christmas. I don't know. I'll let you know.
Kailan ba lalabas ang PS6? Di ba every 7 years?
So it's
2027?
uh, yeah. So
Diba?
siguro magsabay na yung PS7 or
Tsaka PC.
PS6 rather, PS6 version tsaka PC.
So magkakaroon na ng GTA 6 Enhanced Edition,
God.
GTA 6 Remastered.
Sabi, yeah. Pero nice ano naman. Nice enthusiasm naman towards GTA. I hope we look back at this episode a year from now and then we
Enjoy.
oh
Enjoying
we're
the
a
game.
lot happier. We're enjoying the game. All our worries, concerns regarding the game are out the window. But yeah, good talk.